party lines will have no place when the government cracks down on erring individuals to ensure that the 2013 midterm elections will be clean and orderly. DILG Secretary Maroa says they want to show that the elections will be different under the Aquino administration. Alvin Baltazar reports.
The government will spare no one, even their own colleagues within the political party, amid their longingness to ensure a peaceful midterm year. The statement was made by DILG Secretary Maroa as security preparations are now being ironed out, not only to ensure a non-violent poll next year, but also in reassuring the public that election fraud won't find its way for the 2013 elections. Roa said they wanted the first election under the current administration to be very different compared to the past regimes.
Wala po kaming sasantuhin, hindi po ito sa parti-partido, hindi po ito sa kung anong tsaleko ang suot. Gagawin po namin ang tama nang sa ganun makasiguro tayo na ligtas at na nasa sa tama ang conduct ng halalan.
Meanwhile, Rojas expressed openness on the possibility that they may seek for the support of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front or MILF in assisting the police force in the implementation of the peace and order during the election period. But then, such thought, according to Rojas, will be consulted to some of his colleagues at the cabinet and that a study must be made on such possibility.
Hihingin ko yung tulong nila na siguro tayo na tahimik ang halalan sa mga lugar na kung saan prevalent yung forces nila, no, na makatulong sila. I'm open to the idea. Pag-aralan natin, kausapin ko si Secretary Ging Deles, si Chief Negotiator Marvic Leonen. You have to understand that there have also been years of mistrust, no, and gaps that have been created. So maganda ring confidence building measure ito na for a common purpose ay makapagtulungan.
Of the 15 provinces that were dubbed as high-risk areas by the DILG and PNP, among the provinces in Mindanao included in the watch list are Misamis Occidental, Maguindanao, Lanao del Sur, and Basilan. Among the factors that were considered why the 15 provinces declared as the PNP's top priority areas for the election are the presence of private armed groups or PAGs, proliferation of loose firearms, intense political rivalry, and presence of threat and criminal groups. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.